Welcome to an overview of the TradeIV app. This is an app that will help you with your trades and help you research stocks by providing you real-time information on stocks, options, and real-time news. So let's get started. Head over to TradeIV.com and you can read about the app, all of its features, and some FAQs. And you can learn about how to get in touch with us. So to sign into the app, all you need to do is sign in with your Google account. We know how much of a hassle it is to type in your information every time. So by having a sign in with Google button, you can already have an account if you already have a Google account. So if I click on this, then I click on my Google account, the app will automatically log you in with your Google account. So when the first time you join, there's going to be a question where it will ask you to create a watch list for you to get started. So you'll type in some of your favorite stock symbols, for example, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, or Tesla, separated by space. And then you press next. And then you have to agree to our terms of service, which is found on the home page. Type in agree. And you're done. Now you can ready to start our app. As you can see, we added the stocks that you added earlier into your watch list. So let's get started. The app will start with a help screen to help you understand what our app does, and along with a couple of announcements. So here you see a list of commands that you can type into this command box to get the information you need, such as watch list manipulations, market commands, and how to get to the help screen, which is this screen here. So let's get started with the app. So to introduce you to the app, at first, at the very top, there's going to be an input box for the command line. Here you can add a lot of commands where you can manipulate the watch list, look at the market information, look at upcoming earnings, and all that stuff, which I'll show you later. And then here is the menu button. Click on this button to display the widget toggle that you'll see here. So if you don't like a particular widget, let's say the news widget, you can turn it off like this. Or the unusual options widget. Click on that and you're done. Very nice and easy. And you can also log out of the app or go to the help screen from the menu. Down here is the NASDAQ, SPY, or Dow Jones market tickers. This is real time and it's updated very frequently, and it will show you stock futures information if it's out of market hour. So it will show you the information, and right now this is around 7 a.m. in New York, and it will show you the future information for NASDAQ, SPY, and Dow Jones. Very useful if you want to see at a quick glance how the market is doing. Down here is the trending stocks widget. This is the screen where you will see some of the top trending, top gainers, and top losers of the market of the day. So this will update throughout the day and to show you all the latest and the stocks that you should be looking at. Down here, it's the watch list that we created earlier. And you can add and remove watch lists like so. You click on the plus button, and then the command will type this in, watch add. Let's say I want to know about, Fastly, FSLY. Just like that, I'm able to add a new symbol to the stock watch list. And if I don't want to watch Fastly anymore, I can just do watch rem for watch remove, FSLY, and it'll be gone. Watch list is very powerful. You can see additional information about stocks if you click on the actual symbol. So let's say I want to learn more about Tesla today. So you click on Tesla, and you see a detailed view of Tesla along with the trading range today, the trading range this year, along with some fundamental information. Today's gain and losses, and then here's the pre-market gains and losses on top. And of course, if you don't like Tesla anymore, you can click on this minus button here to remove it from your watch list. Down here, you have a real-time charts. This is fully interactive. You can go back even to 1 minute or days to see how Tesla stock is doing. And here you have institution upgrades and downgrades for the stock, along with latest news about Tesla. And then on the very bottom, you get chat information regarding Tesla. This is powered by stock tweets, so you know it'll be updated in real time. And when you're done with reading about Tesla, you can just close it up. Here is the news widget. This widget will be updated very frequently, and it will bring you all the latest news about the market in general. So keep an eye out on this if you ever want to read about things. If you need more news, click on the More button here, and you'll be able to expand it. Down here is the Unusual Options widget. This is the widget where we use our algorithm to detect options that are pretty unusual than normal. So you'll be able to sort the list by volatility over open interest. In general, the higher it is, the more unusual this option order is. So usually when you see things like that, you should do research about it and then figure out if you want to get in on a trade.
News. Stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market: Biogen, Pfizer, Best Buy, Snap, iRobot, and more.
As you can hear, we just got a breaking news alert, and this is in real time, and it just happened now. And you can hear this voice that's coming out of it that'll tell you what exactly happened. So if you're trading, usually I have this app docked on the left side of my screen, and on my right screen is my trading app. So when you're not paying attention, it's very useful to have voice alerts to tell you what's going on and what the latest breaking news is. Anyway, going back to unusual options, you're able to sort this by days to expiration, total cost, or volatility over open interest. You can see more of these if you click on more. And then there's a button to exclude large caps. So usually Tesla, Apple, or something will dominate the charts. So if you want to exclude these things, you click on this checkbox and it'll exclude them. And then down here is the Wall Street Bets Reddit chat thread. So they have a daily thread which is extremely active, and you have people posting every second pretty much. So you are going to find this part actually pretty useful because usually there will be chatters about a couple of stocks that may not be on your radar. So if you don't use that, you could use it as a entertainment purpose to read about what people are thinking right now. So I find that extremely useful. And there's option to talk, to speak the latest message out loud. If you're not really paying attention to the app, you can check this box and it'll read the first message of the chat. And now there's a feature in which that's currently in beta mode. We are currently under heavy development, and it's called sweeps. This is the real-time option sweeps widgets, and it will tell you in real time what are some of the options placed by institutional investors. These are order that will tell you the symbol, the strike, and the expected move this option is trying to hit, but for its strike price versus the current price, and then the total cost of the option order. This is very useful to give you insight into like what people are actually buying and selling on in options. And these usually show you like the big guys who with like $290,000 over there. Here's $1 million order of Apple. We also highlight these things. So the color purple means any order that with 5% expected move or over. So it'll be highlighted for you. These are usually pretty unusual orders, and they have high expectation for the stock. And let's say we have Tesla earnings today, and then you see these yellow moves. Yellow moves are orders that are expiring this Friday, and then it has 5% or more movement. As you can see for Tesla, we have like millions of dollars of order, and crazy amount of move. So you can get an idea of like what people are expecting for the earnings today for Tesla, and some of these stock options that people are betting on. So this is all in real time, and you can look at this while you trade to help you get an idea of what you want to buy or sell. You can also look into ETFs, which is like SPY, IWA, XLF. You can also get like real-time sweeps for ETFs. But usually I go back to equities, and then I usually look at colors. There's a neat option in the menu called voice alerts. If you turn this on, whenever there's a purple or yellow order coming in, it'll tell you in the voice alerts that there's going to be a new order. So very useful when you're docking on the app on the side, and when we're not paying attention, this will tell you in the voice alerts. So that is the current feature set for TradeIV app. We are actively in development, so I encourage you to join our Discord. because we give updates to our app all the time, and if you want to learn about how to opt in for the beta test of the sweeps feature, you can join our Discord and DM the admin your email that you used to log in, and we'll be able to add you into the beta, and then you can test our app for us. We'll be launching a paid plan very soon, but right now you can use our app in full feature for free. So take advantage of this time, and yeah, let us know what you think on Twitter, Discord, or email. This has been a presentation of TradeIV app, and I hope you have a nice day.